Right, so what you're now looking at right here is my very own Hotpoint WM65 Aquarius Wash System Plus. No extra, just Wash System Plus. Extras later on. Right, and it comes with 4 option buttons. It's got economy, which cancels all the heat, super rinse, which ups the water level with the last 2 rinses, rinse hold, self-explanatory, and time saver, which can save up to 43 minutes on program D, as well as 25 minutes on all the other programs. Right, it's also got a variable temperature, variable spin, that is, up to 1200 RPM in 100 RPM steps, and no heat is between 30 and 95, and then you've got your 10 programs, 10 wash programs of pre-wash on its own, pre-wash white plus whites, white 95s, club fast cotton 60, non-club fast cotton 40. You got a fast spin, synthetics 50, acrylics 40, silk and printed acetates 30, quick wash, slow spin, and then the wool program K, and wool spin at the end. Right, and a 5 kilogram drum. A very clean rubber dust gasket. Apparently the dust gasket's been changed. Quite a common problem actually on these. Both the washing machines and the washer dryers. Both the washer dryers that we had, the WD61 and 64, both the rubber gaskets went on them. And apparently the belt's been changed. It's been on a spin before I even picked it up, and the motor and the bearings are fine. The motor's quite quiet, although it's got its Hotpoint roll. Right, so that's the overview. Right, you will see a lot more of this machine. Thanks for watching.